నిన్న అప్లోడ్ చేసిన వీడియోకి చాలా రెస్పాన్స్ వచ్చింది. దట్ నేను జాబ్ అనేది రిజైన్ చేసేసాను అండ్ దెన్ వాట్స్ నెక్స్ట్ అని. సో చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చాలామంది కమెంట్ సెక్షన్లో చాలా ఎంకరేజ్ కూడా చేశారు. సో హియర్ ఐ కమ్ అప్ విత్ అ న్యూ వీడియో. అది నేను మై బ్రదర్ వీఆర్ క్లీనింగ్ ద ఎంటైర్ రూమ్ ఫర్ అ స్టూడియో సెటప్. సో మా తమ్ముడు పాడ్కాస్ట్ సెటప్ చేద్దామని అనుకుంటున్నాడు. సో ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ హెల్పింగ్ హిమ్. సో అమేజింగ్గా పాడ్కాస్ట్ సెటప్ చేసేసి మా ఫస్ట్ పాడ్కాస్ట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అనేది ఉంటుందన్నమాట. సో ఇట్ వాజ్ ఆల్ ఎక్స్టెంపోర్డ్, అంటే అసలు మేము ప్లాన్ చేసుకునేదైతే అసలు కాదు. ఇట్ జస్ట్ వెంట్ ఆన్ విత్ ద ఫ్లో. అండ్ కమెంట్ సెక్షన్లో చాలామంది లైక్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడితేనే బెటర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది, బికాజ్ దేర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. సో ఐ థాట్ ఫస్ట్ టైం కాబట్టి అని స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. సో మీరు ఐ హోప్ మీ అందరికీ వీడియో నచ్చుతుందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. నచ్చితే కనుక తప్పకుండా లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. And this was the final look, and let's get started.
Here, Akka. I'm so glad that this is the day that I started my podcast. But I'm much more glad than that we both share that kind of creative side in both of us. And most of the viewers out there, most of the listeners out there do not know that the bigger hand you gave me in designing this room, the entire design was your idea. And so yeah, what's up? How are you doing?
Thank you so much. So we did this together, and I'm so happy to be a part of your success journey. Because today it may seem like a small help, but tomorrow I'm sure I'm going to see you in so much larger extent. I can see so much. So I'm so happy about.
I've been the same brother who threw a 5 rupee coin back in 4th class, and which almost missed you and broke a mirror. I've been the same naughty kid all my life. But what gives you that confidence that I might actually do good in this? Because considering the real part that I still did not get my degree yet.
Yes. So firstly, we both are quite opposite yet similar in so many things. So whatever I wish to do, you already do that. So somewhere it's been I've seen like you growing. I've seen you growing, and I agree that you are a very naughty and very mischief kid. So the kind of relation which we share, it's more like a mother and son than a sister and brother and sister.
Yes.
So since that our parents were all time working, so somewhere I had responsibility of you over my shoulders, and I was like I myself was a little kid and I've seen you growing. So somewhere I had like my brother should be the best in whatever he does. And I've seen you growing, so somewhere I had that gut feeling that and to me honestly, this BTech, this degree, this parameter which society will judge us as a successful, I just don't care about that, because I know your worth. So somewhere I have that confidence in you that even though you fall, you rise up with much more height and all. So I know I have that confidence in you.
So I'm so glad that you actually are talking positive about me on camera as well. But then having said that, I'm so glad that you started your YouTube journey with just 1-2 suggestions that you've taken from outside world, and you started off. You had many hiccups, because I know you as that one girl who is not extrovert at all in front of people, yet very extrovert in front of dad, people whom you trust, people whom you know, the closer circle, the inner circle that you have. So when you took up YouTube, it's a very huge audience. The whole world can watch you. It's all about one video, one mistake, or one right thing that can just click on. So now that you are having a good subscribe count and it is growing in an exponential manner, how is it going? How is your journey?
Firstly, I have never expected that I'll have a YouTube channel on my own. So I just want to tell it out to you guys that one fine day where I was quite happy and I came home with some disappointment, and then this guy right beside me, he was like, Akka, you have to, there is something missing in your life, you have to do something which you will be really loving to do that. So since childhood, I like so many things, but I didn't know how to put it in an order, or I did not know that YouTube would be perfect thing for me. So my brother, he just suggested you can do it, and just like a baby, he had taken me to this journey. Like the camera was his, and I did not have a proper phone, and the first YouTube that we did was General Bazaar. So I like drop the link below, you can like, share and subscribe. So it was on the street, and I was hardly able to talk anything. I was so scared, I was so shivered, I was so, I was feeling so much nervousness in me, and I thought this is not going to work out. But then this guy gave me a lot of motivation, and I used to scold him since childhood, talk, speak up. Then somewhere, yeah, I have to do this, and I was getting some motivation in doing that. I was feeling happy. So I did not know anything about YouTube, I just entered into it. I'm learning, still learning from my own mistakes. But one thing is, I'm feeling good about every video whichever I post. So it's going good, and seriously, I do not care about money at all, especially for YouTube, because I'm doing that especially for my passion and something which I'm really, it's been very closest to my heart. So I'm really, really liking it.
Okay. Most of the people out there do not know that why we are calling ourselves as a mother-son relation and not a brother-sister relation is because we have 9 years of gap.
Yeah,
Nine,
8 years.
8 years, 8 years of gap. And after that, the thing is, I would like to add a point here that there is this beautiful saying that what you sow, so shall you reap.
Yeah.
Exactly. So in the last 18 years, 16 years of my childhood that I've spent in home, every single day you never taught me how to hate. You have never taught me how to be jealous of each other. You have never taught about not sharing things. You have never scolded me in front of other people. You have never blamed me in front of other people. So basically, what you have guided me in the best books possible. So today, if at all I'm that someone, that guy who is able to make something out of my life, let it be in a mental health way, or let it be in the in the decisions I take, in the suggestions I give, or in the things that I'm doing, I say that the major part, 80% of part is you in it. Is you in it. And after that, I never expected you to take on YouTube at all. Because you give me many suggestions, I too give many, but then we do not actually settle on it. We take many intakes, we take many feedbacks, but then we do whatever we want to do at the end of the day. But then when you took on YouTube, it is like an inspiration for me. I, being a 22, 23-year-old girl, like old boy, uh, and when I realized I have a huge life to live, and I know I can do something with whatever I have, you give me that push again. Yeah, so nice that.
Here what I feel is, because you have given me that motivation to do YouTube and all, somewhere I felt that okay, when I can do, you can easily do it. And it is your cup of tea more than mine.
Acha.
So yeah, even you started a YouTube channel, but mine is completely different. I
Yes,
never.
yes.
So again, you have motivated me
And
to do a
seems like
YouTube.
seems like your audience do not even know that you speak English.
Seriously, because at that time I thought, I was motivated with some Telugu channel, so I thought, okay, let me go with Telugu only. So I think that was your idea only. You said like, Akka, first we'll target Telugu audience, then we'll go with Hindi, then we'll go with English, and slowly we'll spread it. So I started Telugu, being our mother tongue is Kannada. So this Telugu thing, of course we know Telugu, but properly we
Yes,
can't
yes.
speak. So that's why I have chosen like, okay, let's first target Telugu audience, then we'll go to English. I think this is a beautiful platform, so that even if my subscribers out there see this, I think they'll really, really like this combination.
True that. And most of your subscribers know me as that techie brother. Every single time you come to our home,
Yes.
you come into my room, there is some or other new gadget.
New gadget,
There
just
is a-
like there's an Apple iPad. I think that also we have a YouTube video, and this light,
Yes.
this whole setup, podcasting
Yes,
setup,
yes.
which
we,
did
we, we
together.
recorded this BTS,
Yes,
behind the scenes.
behind the
How this
scenes.
entire thing actually happened, and
Because usually in my channel I just give this cooking things like fashion, food, travel, tech, lifestyle. So fashion, food, travel, lifestyle is okay, but this tech thing I am very far away. So I take your help and someone who is more of techie. So that is filling my.
I remember this tech video that I forced you to do. It was about Boya mic.
It was Boya mic and Amazon stylus pencil.
Yeah. It was just another stylus replacing an Apple pencil.
Yeah, and I was like, I still remember. I said it is an electric device, and it just went away because I knew it. I'm not suitable for that, techie vlogs and.
Mhm. You know what? I think our food might have just arrived.
Okay, then we'll quickly wind up this.
We'll quickly wind up
because,
this
I think
because it's 11:16 now.
and no compromise for a tasty food.
Tasty biryani. And the thing is, had we not got the food by 11:23, he would have given the entire money back.
Money
So
back.
seems like he came here and mom and dad doesn't know that we got that. So that's it for today's guys. It was just another trial with our podcasting setup with my beautiful sister here.
And thank you so much, Karthik, for giving me this opportunity. I'm happy, I'm blessed to be part of your podcasting setup because tomorrow when you reach somewhere, so I think we will watch this video also together and we'll have a nice time.
Chalo, let's have tasty food.
Yeah, signing off.
Yep. Bye bye guys. If at all you're watching this video, like, share, and subscribe to Kirti's Corner, and the link is in the description below. And especially if you are one of the Telugu audience from the new states in India, do definitely watch it. You'll get crazy content on fashion, jewelry, lifestyle, not tech obviously. And do hit a like and share button on the Keith Sanity channel as well, because this is the new podcast that we are about to launch. We have not launched it yet. And lots of love. Take care. See ya.